Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with just a little quick share. I don't know what I was doing, but I just tried my hand with my distressed oxides, my Ranger distressed oxides. So these are the ones that I used. And if you saw my video yesterday, you saw that I received this little envelope from Donna Dreams ×3. Hi Donna! And so in it included just some cut aparts that she made, some spring ones, handmade, and then these thank yous. So I had some pages just laying around and I wanted to use them up and get rid of them, and I saw a long time ago, I think it was Dolly, Crafty Mermaid Mom, she made these pockets out of her envelopes, and she used to junk journal. I don't junk journal, I like watching people do it. This is like my take, I guess, on a junk journal pocket maybe. But yeah, so this is how they came out. And I just repeated punch this punch here. I think this is a Stampin' Up! Punch, it is. And that's how I made this flower, and I just ran the edges over an ink pad. And then this punch is this punch here, or this flower is this punch here, and then this thank you note I got from Donna in that envelope, and I just added some lace trim, and I did you know, glue it so it's a pocket. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those yet, but here's another one. And just this tassel trim I added. Here's another one. And this one said handmade. So I just covered it with some stickers. Those are the backs. I didn't do anything to the backs. But yeah, so I added this trim too. So these are what I've worked on today. Hope you guys are staying busy and staying crafty. And until my next video, shakas!